Hello everyone, today we are going to study about dictionary and set. It is a kind of data type that is tools that like in previously we studied about list and sets, but different from them, dictionary and set do not store only values, but it store value in the form of keys and values. So let us understand that. Dictionary is collection of keys and values. Okay, let us take an example to understand it. We use comma to separate them from another value, key and value pair. We can include a different list inside dictionary too. So it can store different data types inside it. Let us print significant type and check if it is dictionary or not. Okay, it is dictionary. So here we now let us know about this property. Property of Python dictionaries. Okay. It is unordered. Okay, it is unordered. It is mutable. Means we can change. We can make changes inside dictionary. And like list, it is indexed. It is indexed because if you want to some change inside it, we will index. So it is indexed, right? Cannot contain duplicate keys. Suppose there are two keys and they are same. So the value of the last key will be counted because it cannot contain duplicate keys. Means two keys cannot have different value. Same key can have different value. So the last one is counted. Let us know about dictionary methods, the methods which we can make changes inside dictionary. We have already the dictionary, so we'll make changes inside them only. Let us print all the items inside the dictionary, so we'll use a dot items, means name of the dictionary dot items, and I think we will get all the items inside dictionary. Yes, we got that. That is correct. Let us use another method. It is called key. A dot keys. I think we will fit all the keys inside the dictionary. Yes, all the keys are printed. When we use that a dot items or a dot key, it must be print all the values or items in list format only. So that we mind. Suppose I want to get the values. Okay, then I will write a dot values and the value code, all the values of the keys inside the dictionary are there. So let us move to another section called a dot update. Okay, suppose we want to make changes inside that. We want to change the marks 100 to 75. So we use update method. So let's start a dot update. Curly bracket, marks, mobile printer, dictionary. Now see the new dictionary. The mark we have to 75. Unlike the 100, now it is 75. So we can do like that. A dot update means inside dictionary A we are updating the key. Will put the key and value. The key and value we are going to use that, and the value will replace what is already there, because we know that the dictionary cannot contain duplicate keys. So when we give a key and value pair at second time with same key, so the value of the second one is counted. So in this way we can convert that. Let us know about another method. A dot get name returns the value of specific keys. Okay. Suppose we want a specific key value to be printed. So we'll use A dot get. Suppose I want the list. Let us see if it comes. Okay, 129 is there. So we found that. You can learn more method that are available in docs.myfilm.org, but it is sufficient. Now let us about the second topic, which is chapter sets. So we'll come in this. Let us start with sets. Uh, set is in set in Python is collection of non-repetitive elements. Okay. Previously we have studied about dictionary. It was saying it was unordered, it was mutable, index, but sets set is a collection of non-repetitive elements. Means it cannot have two values same. Like if we put 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, it will take once 1 and one time 2. No, it will not count the frequency of how many times it was, but only takes the unique value. So it is collection of non-repetitive elements, means collection of unique value. So let us take example of set. Suppose if we want to make an empty set, we can put it that. We're going to set it is a non-repetitive like and no repetition. Suppose we want to add some value in this, we will use add 1. Okay, some more values. Let's add 2. Okay, now we'll print this syntax. Okay, 1, 2. So it is printing that. So now we have made an empty and we added 1 to value and we got in curly bracket, in curly braces only. So let us move to if you are planning business without a knowledge of mathematics or present concept, you can simply look at sets in Python as data type containing unique values. So the same thing about the properties of sets. Sets are unordered. Same like dictionary, sets are also unordered. Elements order does not matter. Okay, we can put 2, 3, 4 in any order. No need to put in a specific order only. So it is an unordered uh, storage data types. Sets are uni-index, cannot access element by index. Okay, we cannot access the elements of set using indexes like previously, like list or dictionary we used to access through index, but in set we cannot do so. There is no way to change items in set. Okay. Once we put in the items, we cannot change any item inside set, so it is unequal data type. Set cannot contain duplicate values. Okay, duplicate values cannot means its repetition of certain values is not allowed in set. So it always connects unique values only or non-repetitive values. Let us see if it is immutable, what kind of operation in set can be occurred. So let us learn about that. First, make a specific set called this is to see if we comment that. Okay. Now we have made a new set. Let us start. We'll learn about different operations. Length of return coordinates illustrator. Suppose we want to count the number of values inside the list. So we use length and same thing we use in list also to find the length of the list. Okay, 4. It is even 4. It is correct. Let us move to another operation. S dot remove 8. Update the set S and removes 8 from S. Okay. Suppose we want to remove a specific value inside set. So we simply put S name of the set dot remove. We have known that we cannot change the value, but we can remove it. Instead, it is good. S dot remove. Eight. Suppose 8. Let us see what that is. Okay, we cannot put it. It has to be 8. And then we print because it is updating somehow somewhat, so we have to put print separately. Yes, now it is working. 1 2 3 8 is in. Whenever we are updating something or removing something, we are making changes inside the data type, so we have to put it separately. Like print statement should be separately. After doing the operation, we should print the whole set or dictionary. So that's why we are not working. Now it is working. Let us move to next operation. Pop removes arbitrary elements from sets and returns elements removed. Okay, removes arbitrary element from the set and returns the element removed. Let us see if it works. As dot pop 2. We'll come back to see it not clearly in terminals. Now we can see. Okay, 1 2 3. Again it is printing 1 2 3. What changes? Okay, 8 is removed from here. S dot pop. Okay. Remove arbitrary emissions and return the element. Okay, now it is done. Next, S dot clear empty set. Suppose we want to clear whole set. So use S dot clear. Pop clear some remove some specific or another value, like random value, but clear remove whole values to altogether. So print S. It has return an empty set, so all the values inside set is removed using S dot clear. Suppose we want to add two sets together, we use as dot union. Like if there is a set 8 or 11, we want to add them into S. So S dot union and then the second curly braces after we update them. Coming okay, 8, 1, 2, 3, and here we used 8 and 11. Okay, 8, 1, 2, 3. What happened? Why is it? So we are at union. So we'll use point. And now we'll see if it works. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 8 was 2 times, so it is taken last value, like 8, taking one value 8 and 11. It is stored on unique values, so 1, 2, 3, 8 and 11. So we have added two sets. Now let us check if transaction sets which contain only item in that set. Okay, it will check, it will only print the values that represent in both set. So let us see, section 8, 11. Okay, 8 is only common in both, so 8 is there. At first we calculated we found the union of two sets, so we got all the values. But in another we have intersection, so we take the value that are same in both. So here like suppose R1 and R3 are two sets. If we take this R2 region and they are intersects, it is an intersection region, means that is common in R1 and R3 both. So that is what we found out using intersection. But suppose we have done union, so we have taken whole this whole value, so it is union. So overall we have studied about dictionary, and we learned that it is an unordered mutable data type, and it is indexed and cannot contain duplicate keys. These two keys cannot be same in that. If it is same, so the value of the last key will be counted. And we have learned a different dictionary method called a dot items to obtain the item inside the dictionary, a dot keys to obtain the keys inside dictionary, a dot update, like we have to update the value, we use a dot update or put the key and the values together to get that updated. A dot get, if you want to get a particular value, we use the key of the value to get that. In sets, we have learned that it is a non-repetitive elements, a set of non-repetitive elements, means it contains only unique values. It is unordered, unindexed data type. We can make changes. We cannot make changes in sets, so we have different types of methods like operations that we can do. Like we can find the length of the sets. We can remove the elements. We can pop using pop. We can like remove random element. We can print it using like if we put s.pop and we remove a random element from this set, and we can print that element too. So s.clear, we empty the set. S.union, we will learn that it adds to set. One set we have, we put the name of the set dot union and add another set in curly braces, so it will be added. In interaction we text the common of the both set and print that. So let us solve some problems regarding that. First we common language. Let's move to the problems. Write a example print dictionary of Hindi words with the value of the English words. Translation. Provide user option to look it up. Okay. Suppose let us make a dictionary. We'll put Hindi word like pani means water. Common using to put like kursi means chair. What we do to lamp internet. We can book. We okay. We have made some Hindi English words. Now let us see what we can do with it. What we could do. Write a program to create a dictionary of Hindi words with value as their English. Okay, we've done that. Translation. Provide user with the option to look it up. Okay. Suppose the user wants to check it. If it is working, like if you put this, you get the value this. So we can take input from user. Mm, Blank in the word. It should be input and in the word. In the word. If the user enter the Hindi word, they should get the English word. So print blank word. Let us see if it works or not. Okay, I think water. So it is working. Suppose I put like this. I put the Hindi word. Yes, it is working. So where may I first question will write it. No, this. Okay, let us move to next question. Write a program to input 8 number from user and display all the unique number. Okay, display unique numbers. We have to take 8 inputs from the user and we have to display it as unique numbers. Okay. So most of the time we know that one thing we know that the set has unique value. So we should convert this into a set. So let us take a set one equal to this. We are made empty set. Okay. Now we will take input. So Mm, we have not studied for yet, so we will do that. What you said, or becomes. So instead we can use this set dot and input page number so like typing and it's number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First, supposed to be the comment 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Things not tested. We can remove the comment is not correct. Let us see the removing. Let us see the dimension. Okay, we will do the so, okay, now it is coming. We have put the take values and we are getting the potential is working. We will comment that and move to next question. Can we have set with setting this? Yes, we can have because we can store different data types in dictionary. So it will work. If we can store different data types in set also, so it will work. What will be the length of the following set? Like we have 12 months to like it is same. I think if we would do what is the value of s type of s here? That is in curly braces. So the type of s should be dictionary. Create an empty dictionary, allow for students to enter their private language value and key as their name, assume that the names are univocal. This length of difference is the same. Let us make 600 question. 2 So, one, okay. We'll take the names and countries and value one, position one, equal to input one, here minus difference. Same will do for output. We change the one to four. Now we're taking input. So we'll make a dictionary. We change the to three, four, okay. Now we're going to change the dictionary. One, stick. Now let us see if it works. Okay. Now can we use it in this? Okay. Okay. Their name as the key and language as their value. So it is working. We are taking input and converting them into dictionary. So it is working now. If the name of two friends are the same, what will happen if okay, a question is to that only if two friends are same. Let us make two names. Suppose it will have two friends and okay. We have put two names then. These two keys option. Let us see what happens. Okay. The value of the second one is counted and the first one is eliminated. So this will occur. So next question 8. Which language of two friends are the same mathematics? Okay, suppose we give one is English and one is also English. Those are English, French, and one is Spanish. So here we have put two lines and valuation, but there is no difference because only key should not be duplicate. So it is giving correct answer. What will you change inside the list to contains? Okay. Can you change the value inside the list which is contained inside? No, then we cannot change the value inside. We cannot change because list because set not good indexing, so it is not possible. Next class we will move to next chapter. So until then, goodbye.